Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the air intake tube to give us access to that area. After that, we're gonna go ahead and get access to the tensioner that's providing tension to the serpentine belt. Now the tensioner has a 1/4 inch keyhole. So we're gonna use a 1/4 inch ratchet to turn it clockwise to release the tension so that we can remove the serpentine belt. So we're gonna remove the air intake tube. And then there's the tensioner right there. One thing you gotta do is note how it's routed. So now that we have our 1/4 inch ratchet here, put it on the righty-tighty. See how it loosens the tension on there? That's exactly what we're looking for. And then we could just take that out, bam. Just enough. So now, that's loose. Put it out. And there. Bob's your uncle. There is your serpentine belt. Let's go ahead and put our serpentine belt on. So one general rule I like to use is the flat faces are mating and the grippy boys, teeth, grooved areas face each other as well. So we got the center boy, crankshaft, hold the tension yourself. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna put our 1/4 inch ratchet right here. There you go. What? There we are. That's how you throw the serpentine belt back on. Follow the diagram. I think we are good to go. Check your tension. Teeth to teeth, face to face. I think we are good to go. All right, home stretch. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah. That is what I'm talking about, baby. Okay, we're gonna look for leaks here.